Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about how to review a takeoff or an estimate in Microsoft Excel. If you're going through checking someone else's work or checking your own work, and you want to make sure that everything is calculating appropriately, here's the first thing to do. First thing we're going to notice here is the joists section here. Just right off the bat, seems kind of high. I've actually intentionally um, miscalculated this so that we can review it. So first thing we're going to do, I've got my formula here. Control plus, I call it the squiggly line. But you just anywhere in the sheet, press Control, and then that squiggly line just to the left of the one key. Boom, there we go. And then as soon as we click on anything with the formula, it'll highlight all the cells captured in that formula. Um, so row 4 uh, captures quantity times length times pounds per foot, which is exactly what we need, all within that row. Row 6, there we go. There's our issue. It's row 6 times row 4. That's incorrect. So we're just going to drag that down, or you can retype it. Press enter, and then we're going to go to the next one. Great. And then let's just net weight um, captures all of these values divided by 2000 to get tons. Um, and then our total weight, or our gross weight, is our net times 1 plus waste. And there we go. And once we want to go back, we just press Control squiggly line again, and we're good to go. And thank you so much.